Hurricane Chris has been acquitted of murder charges.
Breaking news at 10, not guilty. That's the decision from a jury in the murder trial of Christopher Dooley. The man known as rapper Hurricane Chris is now cleared of a murder charge tied to a 2020 shooting outside of a Shreveport gas station. We've given you all the first alerts on this murder trial. That shooting happened at the Texaco on Hollywood Avenue. Dooley was also cleared of a charge related to stolen possession of things. You can read our full coverage on this trial right now at KSLA.com and through our KSLA News 12 app.